Howdy y'all, this is K1 Locks, and today I come at you with a Master Lock 1-Up. That's right, it's one of these guys here, the 1-Up. So we are going to actually key this guy today. From my last video, you would have noticed that I got this lock from Thumper. Well, it came with two keys. It came with a 0728 and it came with a 0662. As you can tell, they are different. And only this key, the 0728, works. So we're going to key up this master lock with this key because it's got kind of decent bitting. So what we do is we put the key in a couple times, take it out. And this is from the instructions I read here. So it says, choose original master padlock key to be used and removed from ring. Insert key into master lock up series padlock and remove several times, which I have done. Insert key into master up series lock and invert padlock through the jaws of the bench vise. Well, we're not going to really do that today. Do not tighten vise. Place this, which is your number 376 keying tool, over the key and tap with hammer until the cylinder pins shear. So we'll put this right here. Got my trusty dusty hammer. And let's see if we can do this. I think we got the key in there. And it works. Fantastic. So let's go ahead and pull that out. Put it in a couple more times. Still works. Works like a champ, actually. So that is how you use your Master Lock 1-key system, this little guy here, to rekey, or to actually use the same Master Lock key that you have with a new lock. Any questions or anything else you guys need, just go ahead and put those in the comments. This is K1 Lock saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.